Guys, welcome back. This is Nisha, and in today's video I have come up with the review of the Nykaa's new launch, which are the Nykaa Insta Blur color corrector sticks, and also I'm going to show you how to color correct your under eye dark circles and get a perfect flawless base for your makeup. First, let's begin with the review. So these are the new launches from Nykaa, you guys. I have purchased these two colors. One is the lavender color and the other is the peach color. This color corrector comes in 5 shades and all of them have their different purpose of application. And the 5 shades that they have come up with are the yellow corrector, the peach corrector, the orange corrector, the green corrector and the lavender corrector. And as I've told earlier, I just purchased 2. So I'm going to just review these 2 and I think we'll be able to know about the pigmentation, we'll be knowing about the texture, we'll be knowing about how it goes with our skin and many more after using any one of these. So first let's talk about the product. So coming to the product, in description they have written that it blurs out the fine lines, it also camouflages the specific skin concerns, that is various color act for various skin imperfections, and it's written that the formula blends very easily on your face so that you can get a perfect canvas for application of your makeup. It has the unique nutrition bullet in it and it is enriched with the camellia flower extract and pomegranate seed oil, which helps in nourishing and hydrating our skin because camellia flower extract reduces fine lines and also boosts the hydration of our skin. And it has pomegranate seed oil, which is rich in vitamin C and reduces dullness and improves the dryness of our skin. So the top features of this product are that it blends easily, it evens out the skin tone, it has lightweight formula and it has a high color payoff. So we are going to check all these 4 in the next section of this video. So now talking about on various skin concerns on which each of this color works. First, coming to the peach and orange corrector. Peach and orange corrector are basically meant for reducing the under eye dark circles, or they helps in reducing darkness on your face, and peach corrector is basically for fair to medium skin tone people, while the orange one is for the medium to dark skin tone people. So that's the only difference in peach and orange corrector. The work is the same, and yes, see, it's written out here, plus medium dark circles. So likewise they have also mentioned which color corrector works for what, and that is going to be really useful if you are a beginner. Next, coming to lavender corrector. Lavender corrector is for blurring the paleness. It basically blurs out the pigmentation or patches on your skin. And then comes the green corrector. It is used basically for acne area or some redness on your skin. It corrects out that. Then comes the yellow corrector. Yellow corrector is basically for brightening your skin, like your under eye area, your cheekbone area, and that's how these correctors work. So now let's jump into the video and see how does it work on my skin, and also I'm going to show you how to hide your under eye dark circles in the next section. So let's start off with the video. So now I'm going to try this on my skin and see how does it actually work on our skin. These are the 2 shades which I have. One is the lavender color and the other one is the peach corrector. Let's see how it works on me. So right now I have absolutely nothing on my skin. My skin is completely bare, and now I'm going to try both of these correctors on my face. And if you have been following me previously, you have seen that I use peach corrector so often because I have quite dark area under my eyes and above my eyes. That's the reason I always need a peach corrector to blur out the dark circles and then further move towards the foundation. So first of all, let's see the packaging. This is the outer packaging. Here's the concealer and it is in a bullet form. So the center part in this, the white portion that you are seeing, is actually the nutrition bullet, and this is what they say is helpful in nourishing and hydrating our skin, as it has the camellia flower and the pomegranate seed oil. So now I'm going to try this on myself and let's begin. And I'm using peach corrector because I have a fair to medium skin tone, and that's why peach corrector is meant for me. And if you are a medium to dark skin tone person, then you need to go for orange corrector because that will work fine for you. But if I go for orange corrector, then it will show above my foundation. So I need to use this peach corrector. and I have also made a video earlier how to color correct and what are the uses of corrector. I have mentioned that in the video, you can check out on the link above. And now I'm going to apply it. I'm blending it with my fingers because I don't want to go over with this product and I want to see how it really works. Just going to blend it. And I must say it's so easy to blend. It really blends very nicely, and also it has given me a good coverage for my dark circles. So you can just see the difference here. I had just applied a very little amount and it really created a great difference between both of my eyes. And I forgot to swatch this, so I would like to swatch this for you all. I'm really impressed with this corrector. Now I'm going to apply some more and then I'm going to blend it with the beauty sponge. So you can see using this corrector has made quite a big difference in my both of the eyes. Here you can still see the dark circles and the darkness over my eyes, while in this area you can just notice there are no darkness left, and it has really concealed, actually blurred out the imperfection and covered the dark circles very nicely. So really I'm so happy with this product. Really, it's a wonderful product. If you want to buy a peach corrector or a orange corrector, I would say you should really go for this, and it is so affordable too. It is for 499 only, and as mentioned earlier that it's going to hydrate. It really hydrated and blended very easily. It also evened out my skin texture, you just see, and it's really a very lightweight formula. You won't feel heavy after applying this. It is like completely a very good product. I really loved it. So now I'm going to color correct my other eye also. Wow, it really worked amazing, guys, and I really love this product. And if any one of you are interested in buying a peach corrector or an orange corrector, I can just say you can really go without any hesitation. It's really going to work great for your skin. And now moving to my lavender corrector, let's check it out too. So here's the lavender corrector. And let me swatch this for you again. Now coming to my skin, I really don't need lavender corrector, but I just want to try it out if it really works somehow on my skin and I can get some good result out of it. So I'm going to try it on my forehead. I have some darkness out here, very slight pigmentations, and here I'm going to just apply it in a very less quantity, and then I'm blending it out. For my rest of my skin, I really don't need this corrector, but I just purchased because I don't have lavender corrector from any brand, and I really wanted to see how it is and how does it come out. So just purchased it, and I think this too is good. It blends easily. Actually, I'm not so confirm about this, but yes, peach corrector is my favorite now. I'm also going to apply some peach corrector around the corners of my mouth and hair and around the sides of my nose. here we also learned how do we color correct our under eyes, and I already had created a video a year ago. So this is again an updated version, you can just say, of getting rid of dark circles while doing makeup. Now I'm going to conceal my eyes and also apply some foundation, and then I'm going to show you how the complete canvas looks. For concealer, I'm taking my all-time favorite concealer from LA Girl True Conceal, and I'm in the shade Light Ivory. So I'm done with my concealer, and you guys see my dark circles are completely hidden and you don't see any of the dark circles out there. And this is how we color correct our eyes using the corrector, and this is the way of getting rid of any dark circles or patches from our skin. And I have also mentioned you how to use various corrector for various purposes. So applying the same technique, you can just use those corrector, apply your concealer over it, and then you can go with your foundation. For foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 120. Now I'm going to blend my foundation very quickly. And now I'm going to set everything using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. And this is how you can just hide your imperfections, your dark circles, and get a flawless base for your makeup. So now I'm just going to go off camera and do a bit of makeup, and I'll be back in a while. So guys, I have just applied a slight of makeup and I'm just back here. So this is here the video was about, how to hide your dark circles, and also a mini review about the Nykaa's new launch. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also do like my videos and stay tuned, and please mention me in the comment how did you like the video, was it helpful for you, and also let me know if you want me to create any video of your choice. I will definitely try to come across it. And that's it for today. See you back again with a brand new video of mine. Till then, take care, love you all, bye.